In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Webflow support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to click, and how to share the right details so the team can help you fast. Begin inside Webflow with the site you're working on open in the designer. Make sure you're signed in and on the correct project. In the top right area of the designer, open the Help and Feedback menu. From there, choose Send Feedback or a Help Request. This takes you into Webflow's support flow, where you'll confirm what you need help with. Next, check that the correct workspace is selected. If you manage more than one, open the workspace picker and choose the one that contains your site. Then click Select Site. Pick the specific site you want help with, and click Continue. Choosing the exact workspace and site ensures the support team sees the right context and permissions when reviewing your request. On the request page, you'll see options to refine your request. Use the on-screen prompts to select the most relevant options for your situation. If you have files that illustrate the issue, like screenshots, logs, or a short clip, click Upload Files to attach them. If it's easier to show the problem, click Record Screen to capture a quick walkthrough. A clear visual often speeds up troubleshooting. Now add the written details. In the subject field, type a short, descriptive title that sums up the issue. In the description field, explain what's happening, what you expected to happen, and the exact steps to reproduce it. Include any URLs, page names, component names, or recent changes that might be related. The more specific you are, the faster support can pinpoint the cause. If there are any additional toggles or drop-downs shown, use them to further categorize your request so it reaches the right team. When everything looks good, click Continue to review, then click Continue again to confirm your selections. You'll now see your support options. Click Get Support to proceed, and then choose Chat with Us to start a live conversation with Webflow support. A chat window will open where you can paste links, upload files, and follow the guidance from the agent in real time. If chat isn't immediately available, keep your details handy. Those same steps ensure your information is ready for any alternative support channel shown. That's it. You've navigated from the designer to Webflow support, selected the right workspace and site, attached helpful context,